Nikon Zf Real Review. Retro looks. Z9 power. Does it deliver? You ever pick up a camera that looks this good and instantly feel like you're cheating on your old one? I did the second I touched the brass dials on the Nikon Zf. It's stupidly pretty. I almost felt guilty. Tell me in the comments, which camera have you secretly lusted after lately? That hollow ache when your shots are technically perfect but feel soulless. Gear envy creeping. Creative block hitting. Inspiration flatlining. You don't need another black plastic brick. You need something that makes your hands itch to shoot again. Something that turns every outing into play instead of work. Here's the Nikon Zf, the full-frame love letter that actually performs like a flagship in disguise. EXPEED 7 processor with sticky Z9, level subject detection, eyes, dogs, birds, planes, it sees everything. 8-stop IBIS that lets you nail tack-sharp 1-second handheld shots. 4K oversampled from 6K, so clean it hurts. Dedicated monochrome switch that flips you into film-noir mode instantly. Brass dials that click like mechanical poetry. Vari-angle screen for sneaky street angles. And dual card slots. Yes, one's microSD, and yes, it works perfectly. Real story. Alex, a burnt-out wedding shooter, was one no-show away from quitting. Grabbed the Zf plus 40mm on a whim, shot a small elopement handheld in golden hour, came home with 47 keepers that looked like medium format film. Client cried. He cried. Bookings tripled. That spark you've been missing? It's waiting inside this silver body. Photographers are quietly obsessed because this camera makes creating feel like falling in love again. Reviewers are calling the IBIS witchcraft. Street shooters say the retro body makes strangers smile instead of tense up. Hybrid creators keep posting 4K clips so sharp they look graded in camera, and thousands of owners admit they shoot more now than they have in years. One pro reviewer said, I shot 1/2 second handheld at ISO 6400 to 100% sharp. I actually laughed out loud. A 300K sub-YouTuber told me he sold his modern body because the Zf makes me want to wake up and shoot, period. A verified owner wrote, my hit rate went from 40% to 85% because the AF just reads minds. Worried the microSD slot is a deal breaker? I've shot 12-hour weddings with it, as overflow. Never once lost a file. Curious why grown adults are giggling over brass dials in 2024? Watch the full video. Tell me, which feature would bring your joy back? The monochrome switch, the IBIS, or just how damn good it looks around your neck? Tens of thousands of photographers, filmmakers, and everyday creators have already made the Nikon Zf their daily carry, because nothing else delivers flagship power, film era soul, and pure shooting joy in one ridiculous package. If you're ready to fall back in love with photography instead of just taking pictures, come join us. Link in my bio and description. These silver ones disappear fast. Your next favorite photo is waiting inside this camera. Go make it happen.